Happy Saturday. It's Easter weekend. If you're out and about, stop and see me. Doing an open house. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 years old, hardly ever lived in, lots of upgrades, and it is ready for you. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, pool home, lake view, lots of sunning area around the pool again. Got a nice covered area for dining outside. And when you get inside, it's all white shaker cabinets, updated trendy hardware with the gold accents, granite counters. Check out this nice living area, all open concept. It's got a ton of storage. And it's ready for you. And this is a really cool, diversified community. Families, singles, retirees, snowbirds, something for everybody. Stop in today. Take a look for yourself. It could be your new home.